Welcome to your course. I am so happy that you are here. We are going to be diving in and exploring a lot of techniques, a lot of rules and foundations, but those are going to really set you up for an evergreen structure in your modern calligraphy skills. Don't worry, I'm a rule breaker too, so we'll get to that point when it comes time, but if I can follow these rules, then you can too. I'm Peggy Dean. I'm an artist, author, and educator. My favorite thing to do in the whole world is to help facilitate this type of knowledge to everybody that has a passion to create. This is my favorite part, you guys, so I'm so excited to be able to offer it to you on this platform. So who is this class for? What's the game plan? All right, so we have 4 phases to this course. In the first phase, we will be identifying lettering structure to give you evergreen skills, so all your calligraphy is always cohesive. Once you have solid fundamentals, we'll move into phase 2, where you will be mastering brush pens with calligraphy. Once these 2 learned skills are paired up, we will break the rules in phase 3 to infuse unique character throughout your words. And finally, phase 4, everything you want to know about placement for the ideal composition so that you can create beautiful work time and time again. Oh, and did I mention I've got a ton of downloads for you? Without further ado, let's jump in. Welcome, welcome, welcome. I can't wait to see where this takes us all.